Installing a GPU power distribution board. Align the connector with the slot and place the GPU power distribution board into the node. Fasten the 5 screws to secure the GPU power distribution board. If there is any old thermal grease on the 4 GPUs or the cold plates, use an alcohol cleaning pad to clean them. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should consist of about 0.15 milliliters of thermal grease. Check the gap pads on the water loop and replace any that are damaged or missing. Replace the putty pads on the water loop. Position it over the 2 guide pins near the rear of the node, and then lower it down and ensure it is firmly seated on the GPU board. Unfasten the 19 Phillips No. 2 water loop carrier screws. Carefully lift the water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Use a Torx screwdriver to fasten the 14 Torx T10 water loop screws. Install the following screws to secure the quick connect. 2 Torx T10 screws on the quick connect. 4 Torx T10 screws on the rear of the node. Use your palm to push down the GPU cold plate to reduce the gap between the GPU cold plate and the GPU. Use the Torx screwdriver to push down on the screw so that it engages with the GPU. Follow the screw sequence specified on the GPU cold plate label and fasten each screw for 720 degrees. Connect and route the cables in the tray. Fasten the 2 thumb screws and 12 Phillips No. 1 screws to install the front and rear cross braces. Fasten the 7 screws to secure the 2 brackets. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.